Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's two best stocks what I selected for intraday trading, and also I'll be telling you their entry and exit level, support and resistance level based on my unique way of calculation. Okay, so based on tomorrow's opening price, you can do the calculation what I'm going to tell you, and that levels will help you to get the good levels of the stocks. Okay, I'll be telling you which are the two stocks very shortly in this video, and before that I'll be telling you the Nifty 50 resistance and support level for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, as of now the SGX Nifty is trading almost above 19,000. I mean the 19,000 high has been touched, so we can expect the Nifty also to touch 19,000 very recently. That it can happen tomorrow also, or it can happen in the next few coming days also, because SGX Nifty has already touched 19,000 what I'm seeing the data right now. Okay, so yes, right now we can see that the resistance level is around 18955. So this is one of the main resistance level, and 18887, this is one of the today's high what it has made, and this is the today's high, and from there the market has come down, and the support level are around 18,817 and 18,800. So these are the two main support level as of now, but as I'm telling you, we can see Nifty touching 19,000 very soon. Okay, so it can touch and reverse break and take 18,900 or 19,955 as a good support and go up as well. So yes, this is the view. And guys, now let's talk about the tomorrow's two stocks what are selected for intraday trading. So guys, first stock is Cipla. Okay, so I'll tell you how you should observe and trade tomorrow regarding the stock. Okay, so tomorrow once the market opens, whatever the opening price is, okay, so from the opening price you just have to add plus 20. Okay, plus 20 you should add, and that will be your main resistance level, and opening price minus 20 you should subtract from the opening price, that will be your main support level. Okay, so if the resistance line touches, then you can short sell, or if it comes and touches the support level, then you can buy it. Okay, so opening price plus 20, okay, and opening price minus 20. For example, let's assume the opening price for tomorrow will be 1150. Okay, you will add 1150 plus 20, that is 1170 as a resistance, and 1150 minus 20, that is 1130 as a support. If the stock comes to 1130, then it's a good support level and you can buy from there, and if its stock touches 1170, then you can short sell from there. Okay, so based on the market tomorrow and based on how the market will be, you can take a trade according to that. Okay, whether it's touching the support or resistance level, by seeing that you can trade. Okay, so keep in mind it's 20 is a key point for tomorrow for Cipla. Okay, opening price plus 20 and opening price minus 20. Okay, so before I tell you the second stock, if you guys are new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. I'll teach you the simple and accurate skills to make consistent profit in intraday trading. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment and you get lifetime support plus the live market guidance. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, as by being said that, now let's talk about the second stock. The second stock will be Adani Ports. Okay, so Adani Ports is our next stock in the list. What you can observe for tomorrow. So for Adani Ports, the levels are open price plus 14 is a resistance level and open price minus 14 is a support level. Okay, so if the stock touches the support level, then you can buy, and if the stock touches the resistance level, and if stock is coming down from that resistance level, then you can short sell. Okay, so this will be the main levels for tomorrow. That's the main support and main resistance level for tomorrow's intraday trading in Adani Ports. Okay, so guys, please keep in mind that this video is only for an educational purpose. I'm not asking you to trade or invest in the stocks, but I'm asking you to only observe how it will perform. Okay, so guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.